Accountability is not a way of doing. Accountability is a way of thinking. Specifically, it's how we think about people. The rules of business haven't changed. It's the field that we're playing on that has changed. Now, more than ever, leadership needs to get it right, because leadership is what brings us through tough times. And accountability is the characteristic that will create sustainability today and enable acceleration as we move forward tomorrow. Our people need to know that we care about them, and we need to continue to invest in them. The organizations that continue to invest in their people are the ones that are going to be the most successful. As we grow our people, we'll grow our company. Investing in our people, developing our people, can't stop because we're scattered, working from home, or don't have the normal work environment. It's critical today that we use virtual learning in order to continue to develop our people and build relationships. After over 25 years and thousands of live programs, the times now dictate that we continue to work with and develop our people through new but equally powerful methods. Sure, we'd rather be in one big room together, but when we can't do that, leadership must continue to reach their people, no matter where they are. We can do that. We can reach all of your people and make a difference.